What was that? It came from the sky! Are you okay? What happened to your ship?
I'm lost. My ship crashed.
I'll help you. You're safe here. We just need to figure out how to fix your ship.
This world is so different.
This is my power core. I recharge it, but I'm not sure how.
Let's try using this. I've seen similar tech before.
Whoa!
It's working!
Stay down! They can't know you're here!
What if they find me?
Shh! Stay quiet! We'll be quick. I know where we can get the parts.
I can't wait to see more of this world.
Let's go! There's the part we need! Quick, let's grab it.
What's this? It looks just like my ship's engine.
It's working! We're almost there, Dai!
I can feel it. My ship will be up and running soon.
They're after us! Hold on tight, Dai!
I'm ready! Let's outrun them! We can do this, Dai! Together! I believe in us, Fahad!
Where will we go next?
The universe is ours to explore!